Go ahead and do a real quick video real quick with this new app that's going on. So basically once you join this opportunity, right, you're gonna click on the app, Mezu app, right? Once you click on that, you're gonna join, you're gonna put your information in, you're gonna put your you gotta put a debit card in to be able to make the money, right? So once you join the opportunity, you're gonna see all the transactions right here where you're gonna be 1 file pending. See all these fives, five, all that right there starts adding up after a while, man. Just starts adding up. I ain't gonna keep doing it because you're gonna be seeing people's numbers and stuff like that. So remember further privacy and stuff like that. So basically what you do is once you join this opportunity, you go where it says send right there. You hit send. But you got first you got the person that you gotta redeem. Remember redeem. You always gotta hit redeem. Right? You hit the redeem. So you gotta redeem the five, I think it's five different numbers, letters and numbers. It's gonna be the whatever number you picked in the beginning is gonna give it to you. So you put the code right there, and then once you put the code there, it's gonna send you to this part right here. So you're gonna send the way you send it, you gotta add the number right there. So you add the person's number and you just once you hit the number, let's say I hit 5, and then you hit pay. Once you hit pay, you gotta confirm it and it'll send $5 to that person. So guys, this is the easiest way to make money. It's not even funny. The easiest way to make money. Nah, I'm make a big